Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Frank, the Wholesale Pro, and welcome back to Orders and Seconds by the Wholesale Pro, where we help wholesale distributors like you save time, move product, and keep your sales team from pulling their hair out. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to create a sales order and generate an invoice in OIS Pro in minutes. You will see just how smooth the process is, whether you are in the field or on the phone in your office. Now, let's jump into the demo. For your field sales team, OIS Pro can be used to place orders or create invoices. I will be showing you how to do both. Let's start with creating an order. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and create a new customer sales order with OIS Pro. So first of all, we're gonna open the app. Once you open the app, you will see right here where it says customers. And in just 3 simple steps, we're gonna create an order. So once the customer has been selected, we go ahead and start selecting the transactions, in this case, the order, and we're gonna display all the products that we have in the system, the name of the product, the price, pricing. Something that is really important is the inventory visibility. So you're gonna have inventory visibility right there. Another great feature that it is important to this is what we call the upselling and cross-selling. If you notice right here are the recommended products. Once you're finished with this, we're gonna go ahead and go to the checkout, double check that that's the customer that you would like to place the order to. You can capture customer signature right there. And once you're done, just click on submit and the final transaction is gonna be created and submitted to the OIS central system. So let's go ahead and take a look at what's gonna happen in the central system. So now the order that we just created is this one right here that it just arrived to the central system. So something important, once the orders arrive to the central system, we can do many things right here. Automatically approve that transaction to synchronize to your accounting system like QuickBooks or any other ERP system, or you can grab that order, grab different transactions and assign all those transactions to the warehouse personnel for picking and fulfillment. Another thing is, if you don't have sales rep in the field, you only have internal sales rep team, you're gonna be able to also create transactions directly from the OIS central system, and again, approve those transactions to synchronize to your system, or grab all those transactions and assign it to the warehouse personnel. For the field sales team that do direct store delivery or DSD, OIS Pro can be used to create invoices. Let me show you how easy it is to create an invoice. So we're gonna go ahead and create an invoice directly from here. So what's gonna happen is this: we're gonna go to customers. So select the customers that you would like to place the order to. In this case, it's gonna be the Panda distribution. We're gonna have the company's name, address, and open invoices, last transaction that you have created for them, and the last visit. Once you click on it, you will select the invoice document, and it is going to show you all the items that you have in the system. If you notice right there, you're going to have the inventory visibility. This is really important. The inventory visibility is what you have loaded in the truck. So that's important. So whenever you're doing and selecting the items to create the invoices, the easiest way to do it is by just clicking on the right upper corner. You can go ahead and enable the barcode scanner. So that way you're just scanning the item and you're not looking for the items, every single item, right? You just scan it, put the quantity that you need, and once you put the quantity, it gets added to the invoice that you're creating. That's really important. So once you finish, what you're gonna do is this: we're gonna confirm that you created an invoice for this stores, and you can also capture customer signature, whoever is signing this document. Look, depending on the terms that you have for this store, look, you can approve that transaction. Once you approve, you have two options. Again, depending on the term, you can synchronize this invoice to the central system, or you can go ahead and collect a payment. Once you say the invoice has been created, you're going to be receiving a payment. And once you click on receive a payment, it is going to show you the different ways that you can create receive a payment. Just click on pay, and automatically that amount is going to be paid. You can select multiple payments and apply those multiple payments to that one invoice. Once you're finished, you can do two things. You can click on more and share that document that you just generated with the payment. And if you notice right there, it's gonna say that it's already being created and paid. Or you can go ahead and print the invoice, and if you notice, it's gonna be right there. Payment has already been applied, and you're ready just to click on the right upper corner and print in the final document that I just created. Is gonna be synchronized to the OIS Central system. So what's gonna happen on the OIS Central? Very simple. If we go to the Central system, let's go ahead and rephrase the page. Remember that I just created an invoice. Well, this is the invoice that I just created. If I come to the invoice, this is the Panda distribution that I just created, and it says that it has been paid. Why? Because I collected a payment in the central system. So again, you can approve this document, or you can go ahead and synchronize it directly to your accounting system. If you notice, it says paid. So in the system, you're gonna receive it as the invoice, and the invoice has already been paid. That's how easy it is to use OIS Pro sales order software that actually understands wholesale distribution and consumers packaged goods. Want to see all the features OIS Pro has to offer? Like route managers, digital catalogs, upselling and cross-selling features? Schedule a free demo with us. The link is in the description. Hey, thanks for watching. If this was helpful, hit the like button and hit subscribe, because we got tons of more videos coming on how to run your wholesale business like a machine. Again, I'm from the Wholesale Pro. I will catch you next time on Orders in Seconds by the Wholesale Pro.